Hello students, today I am going to explain a very important problem. This problem has been asked in IIT JEE 2019 main April. The question is very simple. Let f of x equals to 15 minus mod x minus 10, x belongs to R, then the set of values, then the set of all values of x at which the function g of x equals to f of x is not differentiable. They have given four options: 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 10, 10, 15. Given f of x equals to 15 minus mod x minus 10, x belongs to R, and they have given one relation, that is g of x equal to f of x. We know that modulus property, example, modulus of theta equal to theta if theta greater than or equal to 0, minus theta if theta less than 0. Applying this modulus property, you can carefully observe f of x equals to 15 minus mod x minus 10, x belongs to R. First, I will separately calculate mod x minus 10 value. Therefore, x minus 10, if x minus 10 greater than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 10, minus x minus 10 can also be written as 10 minus x if x minus 10 less than 0 or x less than 10. Thus, f of x equals to, again I am writing the this calculated values in the function, that is 15 minus x minus 10, that is after calculation 25 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 10, 15 minus 10 minus x, that is 5 plus x if x is less than 10. Therefore, finally I am writing f of x value, that is 25 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 10, 5 plus x if x is less than 10. Now I will draw the graph of this function. If x is greater than or equal to 10, 25 minus x, that is if x is greater than or equal to 10, 25 minus x, and if x is less than 10, 5 plus x, that is x is less than 10, that is 5 plus x. Very simple graph is there. But the important thing is that we have to find the value of f of x. It is denoted by g of x, because to calculate f of x, first you have to calculate f of x value. Already we have f of x value. Now we will calculate f of x value. F of x equals to 25 minus f of x if f of x greater than or equal to 10, 5 plus f of x less than 10. You consider this as x, because you can see here f of x equals to 25 minus x, x greater than or equal to 10, 25 minus x, x greater than or equal to 10. You consider x as f of x. You consider x as f of x. Okay, you consider you consider this value as x, and you can observe this. I will give this as an equation number 1. Okay, you consider this as x, means 25 minus, in place of x write f of x. Yeah, in place of x write f of x. Therefore 25 minus f of x greater than or equal to 10, 5 plus f of x less than 10. In place of x I have written f of x. This step is very important. So many students will confuse in these steps. f of x equals to, see carefully, 25 minus f of x. Use observe this step carefully. F of x greater than or equal to 10. F of x greater than or equal to 10. Observe the graph. f of x greater than or equal to 10 means this part will come. This complete part will come. That is 5 to 15, because 5 to 15 it is f of x is greater than or equal to 10, 5 to 15. You can see clearly in the graph. After that, f of x less than 10, f of x less than 10, f of x less than 10 is minus 5, 5, 15, that is minus infinity will also include minus infinity here, plus infinity, minus infinity to 5, minus 5 to 5, see, minus infinity to 5 and 15 to infinity. Therefore, f of x less than 10 means minus infinity to 5 and 15 to infinity. You can see the graph, minus infinity to 5 and 5 to infinity. We'll get f of x less than 10. F of x less than 10. Again, now I will break the steps. See, 25 minus f of x. What is the value of f of x? Okay, 25 minus, you can observe here, 5 to 10. 5 to 10, which function is there? This is 5 and this is 10. 5 to 10, which function is there? 5 plus x. 5 to 10, which function is there? 5 plus x. 10 to 15, which function is there? 25 minus x. You can see the graph. 10, this is 10 to 15. 10 to 15, which function is there? 25 minus x. Okay, next, minus infinity to 5, which function is there? Coming to here, minus infinity to 5. Minus infinity to 5, which function is there? 5 plus x. 5 plus x. And next 15 to infinity plus infinity, 15 to plus infinity, which function is there? 25 plus x. You can see in the graph. Now coming to the next step. After calculation, 25 minus 5 plus x, 20 minus x, 5 less than or equal to x less than 10, x, 10 less than or equal to x less than 15, 10 plus x minus infinity less than x less than 5, 30 minus x, 15 less than x less than infinity. I had drawn this function f of x function graph. I had drawn. Now carefully observe. 30 minus x is this graph. 10 plus x is this graph. X is this graph. 20 minus x is this graph. Now carefully observe the graph. This point, and this point. These 3 points, 5, 10, 15, the function is not differentiable. Therefore, the correct option is B. The problem is very simple, but you have to calculate very carefully. Each step is very important. If you miss just plus or minus, you won't get answer. Systematic calculation will be there, and by observing the values, you have to draw a graph. A very simple and interesting problem is there. They have given one function and they have given one relation, and they are asking f of x where it is not differentiable. Okay, students, next class I will solve some another interesting problem. Thank you so much for your valuable time.